2023-12-07. Let's go back, way back. Thailand, Prachwap Kirikan. A decade has almost passed and it feels like it was yesterday as well as an eternity ago. If anyone asks me when I started looking for my new home, it was now. It took me 5 minutes to learn the first lesson, seat belt. Speed bumps mean speeding over bumps. You can hit your head badly on a Jeep roof. When I think about it, I got to learn the importance of a walking stick even then because of them wild dogs. I had not forgotten, I just didn't remember. I was completely unprepared for the difficulties with the everyday things like employment etc. I will still travel with only what I can carry, the 30-second rule. But I will prepare better this time. My intention this time is to only leave the area for pleasure in the future. I know what I need to do, boring adult things to make them childish funny. Like riding a bike and taking photos of the Spanish wilderness. I've been on the road for about half my life, this time for 10 straight years, and the ravages of time are beginning to cover the scars of youth. Maybe it's time to make harbor captain,